Hello guys, Jail here from TechTutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your Fidelity Brokerage account to buy stocks. So to do this is pretty simple. So head on to fidelity.com, and as from here, you will have to open your account. So when you're going to go open account, this is what you're going to be met with. So all you have to do is go here, I know what I want, and open an account. From there, you'll have to scroll down and then locate your brokerage account. So from there, you can open an account. So note that you'll have to have your social security number, which is required by law. And here, it's going to ask you if you're already a Fidelity customer. So let's just say no. So if you select yes, you will have your IRA for one or other Fidelity account ready. So if you're going to open an account, it's just going to take a few minutes. So let's go from there. As you can see, it's going to load up, and then here the account ownership, it's going to be just you or someone. You'll have to select that. It's very important, guys. So let's just say here. So here you'll first have to tell yourself about yourself. So here you'll have your first name, middle name, last name, and your social security number as mentioned earlier. From here you'll have your date of birth, day, year, country of citizenship, mobile number, email, and where you've lived. So from there you'll have to fill this all out. So to just fill out some random things. Social security number, so to just place something like this. So select this and let's just place random dates right here. So let's say 1998. Citizenship, so let's just say United States. Mobile number, so I'm not sure on how mobile numbers work in America. So let's just place random things so we can just fill this up. And let's just somewhere lane. So here, let's just go with New York State. So let's just look for New York right here. I don't know the zip code. So it's probably 2000 or something. 20,000. I'm not sure what zip code you use in. So there, I'm pretty sure that works like that. So we go next from there. And as you can see, you will have to update your address so they cannot find it. So it will have to verify it. But from there, you'll get what I'm trying to say. So you can work from there, and it will have to verify all of this. You'll need everything ready. So there you go, guys. Just a step-by-step tutorial on how you will open your Fidelity brokerage account to buy stocks. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.